Hey guys, I'm Sartorial Phil. Welcome back to my channel. I have a quick unboxing today. So this is from Tiffany, and this is the first time they had something come, I think, in a clear plastic bag, and it has Tiffany printed on it. So there is, this one's just a card, which I'll get to later. So the box has Tiffany on, I would assume that's the front side, and this is the signature white ribbon. This plastic bag, it's not as thick as the Comme des Garçons one, but you could probably reuse it for certain things, like maybe a beach bag or something. So this is the Mid-Autumn Festival gift box, and just like the last one, or the one from last year, it's kind of like a lantern, which I'll show you. So it lights up and then it just gives you some directions in the back as well. So this is the middle part. And then this is where the, I believe, where the cakes are. And it looks like there's 5 of them. So there's one of the cakes. There are 5 of them. I think they are different flavors too. So these are individually wrapped, and obviously they're not produced by Tiffany, but so there's basically 5 of these, and I think they're different flavors. So actually, yeah, it says this one is lotus, so I think this one's a plain lotus seed one. This is red bean, mung bean or green bean, green tea, and the last one's actually unmarked. Actually, this actually may not be the moon cake. So, oh, this is the LED light. So this is what you need to put on the bottom of the base in order to light it up. You turn this one on, you just press it, and then you put this back on. And you can already see some of the light bleed through. So I'm going to turn off the light so you can see it a little better. So each side is almost like a window. And then here's just a different angle. So this one has the moon on it, so I may just actually change the position. So that's the Tiffany tea design. This is like a storefront, and there's actually a taxi cab right here. It's dark, but this is actually the shape of a taxi cab. This is like a diamond ring, engagement ring. And this is a bunny down here, I think. And this side also has a taxi cab, but it's in a different direction, and it's like a gift box. So here you can see the cutout a little bit better. There are 2 layers of it. So this is the taxi cab that I was talking about. This has the moon on the top right here. This has another taxi cab. That's their flagship address. And then this one has what looks like a bunny down here. And the card has that same bunny design on the bottom too. So here's the card. It has the cutouts as well. You can see here. So it's the same design as the box. So that's the front of the store. And then it just has a message in Chinese characters and then English. And I just wanted to quickly show you what was last year's design since I still have it. The box size is pretty much the exact same. But as you can see, the inside design is different. It's the same concept. It's cut out, but this one's actually thicker. And the LEDs are actually on top of this kind of cage-like design. And these were how the mooncakes were housed, but it was the same exact size. Like the mooncakes that I showed you earlier, they were the exact same. So I think you're supposed to empty it, and then there's a switch on top here. And these are actually yellow LEDs, so it's a bit different than this one. So that's what it looks like. So the new one, the LED light is definitely a lot brighter. That's why compared when you see them side by side with this camera, you don't see the paper flower as much, but in low light you can definitely see it. It's a warm yellowy orange light. And that's my video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Check me out on Instagram for the latest updates and exclusive contents. And I hope you have a happy Mid-Autumn festival if you celebrate it. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.